Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sumayya Institute of Islamic Studies. I hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today we will learn Surah Ikhlas with proper tajweed. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.